Okay, welcome. This is a video about how to use your study plan on MyMathTest. Okay, so when you log in just like you were a student, just like you did when you were taking the test. And what's going to happen is you're going to see student and these options. You won't see all this. This is because I'm an instructor. But you'll see just these top 4 options. I want you to go to study plan. It'll have your name at the top. This is a student you don't know. We're not caring about who this is. All right. And when you first come in, you're going to get, let's close all this up, this. Okay, this is what you're going to look like when you first come in. Notice these little graduation caps. Those are mastery. So these are things this student already knows how to do. All the little push pins are ones they need to work on. So what you're going to do, come up here, see this, show recommended study. Let's get rid of all the ones we already know because we're going to focus on the ones we don't know. We open this up. We see where we're at. We go in on by clicking on this. See if we open this up. All of these show up. Okay, so then you'll just work your way through these. So let's look at add unlike fractions. Okay. Now we work through these until we've gone through all of these, and then we can hit Quiz Me, and it'll give us mastery. Okay. Now, as you work through this, here's a set of videos you can watch about this section. Now, I see all of these little clip signs right here. These are all of these have videos associated with them. So if I go in, we're going to go into the first one. We'll just work our way through, right? Okay, so there's going to be 11 questions. This is the first question, adding fractions with different denominators. This is unlike fractions. All right, I want you to notice over here, see? Question help. On here, help me solve this, view an example, video. This is going to step you through. This is going to just show you it all worked out. And this is a video on how to do it. You may choose which help you use. Okay, so I'm going to do a help me solve this just so that you can see how it works. Okay, but you can view a printed out example. Okay. And this is not actually, you're not interacting with it. You're not able to put in answers and stuff. That's why I want, before you do your problems, I want you to do the help me solve this, because this is going to actually step you through it, right? So we need the 2 common denominator. What is the lowest common denominator? We have 4 and 8, so 8 is my lowest common denominator because 8 is just 2 times 4. Check your answer. Yes. Next, convert each fraction by adding 1 in the form of the number over a number. So what will that n over n be? Well, to get 4 to be 8, I need 2. So this is going to be, I can first click this and get a fraction set up here for myself, 2 over 2. Okay. Check answer. That is correct. Now, 3 over 4 times 2 over 2 is 6 over 8. So now I've got 8. The other one is already 1/8. Now I add them together. 6 plus 1 is 7. So now 7. Now what I can do, another little shortcut, is I can go 7/8. And it gives me the fraction as well. And it will take that. Finally, reduce the fraction 7/8 by removing any common factors. This one has none. So we can just have an answer of 7/8. Check answer. Okay, there we go. All right. So that's how you would use the help me solve this. All right. You should do this before you get started just so that you kind of go over how to do it, because especially if you've forgotten. All right, so then you would be able to type in the answer right here. Okay, that's basically what you're going to do. Once you get through this, you'll submit it and move on to the next one. Okay, and at any point in time, you can ask for quizzes for mastery, right? Okay, so this will take you through all your different areas. All right, good luck and let me know how it goes. If you have any questions, Mrs. Capel or I can help you. Bye now.